Have you ever wondered why some projects succeed while others fail, despite starting off with the same resources and opportunities? The answer may lie in the power of project knowledge management. It's a pivotal process that can transform the trajectory of your projects. It involves strategies and practices to identify, create, represent, distribute, and enable the adoption of insights and experiences. This dynamic approach could be the differentiator between success and failure. The key to project success might just lie in effective knowledge management. Let's delve deeper. Imagine a company, let's call it TechX, working on a complex software development project. TechX was initially on a rocky path with their project. Communication was ineffective, knowledge was siloed, and project deadlines seemed like a mirage in a desert. The project was teetering on the edge of failure. Then came the turning point, the implementation of project knowledge management. Suddenly, the landscape began to change. TechX developed a knowledge-sharing platform, a virtual space where ideas could be exchanged freely and information could be accessed easily. This platform broke down the knowledge silos, fostering a more inclusive and informed work environment. But TechX didn't stop there. They also promoted a culture of collaboration. Every team member, regardless of their role, was encouraged to share their insights and experiences. This created a synergy, a collective intelligence that was far greater than the sum of its parts. Project retrospectives were another strategy employed by TechX. By reflecting on what worked and what didn't, they were able to learn from their successes and mistakes, and use these lessons to drive continuous improvement. Finally, TechX utilized knowledge maps, visual tools that help track and manage the knowledge within the project. These maps provided a clear overview of who knows what, enabling more efficient use of resources and expertise. With the power of project knowledge management, TechX transformed its project trajectory from a potential failure to a resounding success. The story of TechX is not unique. Many companies have harnessed the power of project knowledge management to drive project success. Let's recap what we've learned. First, project knowledge management is crucial. It's the heart of effective project management, fueling decision-making, team collaboration, and project execution. Secondly, we delved into the case study of TechX, a company that brilliantly used project knowledge management. Their strategies, which included fostering an environment of knowledge sharing, leveraging technology for knowledge capture, and continually learning from past projects, significantly contributed to their project success. These strategies are not exclusive to TechX. They can be replicated in any project setting, regardless of the industry. By employing these tactics, you can elevate your project management game, ensuring your projects not only reach completion, but also excel in their outcomes. Remember, the key to successful project management might just lie in your ability to effectively manage and share knowledge. So how will you leverage project knowledge management in your next project?